This something, this element, is the so-called Buddha nature. It is the innermost essence of the mind, which remains, and has always remained, unsullied by the delusions, defilements, and sufferings of samsara. The Uttaratantra-shastra gives many illustrations of how the Buddha nature remains hidden, long buried in oblivion, in the depths even of the most deluded and vicious of beings. And the long and gradual evolution of the mind toward enlightenment really consists in the removal of the obscuring veils produced by karma and defiled emotion that conceal this inner treasure, a treasure that, like a piece of refined gold hidden in the ground, is already perfect, replete with all the qualities of enlightenment. The Buddha nature, the nature of the mind, is neither spoiled by the state of samsara nor improved by the attainment of nirvana.